how to mentally picture the branches and the head. Think of the commits in the repository as this map we have, and think of branches as little pins on this map. Each pin has to point to only one commit object. It is perfectly normal for more than one pin to point to the same commit. Why do we need to pin our commits? The very first reason is because we really don't want to memorize these long hashes. We need something human readable, like 172EA3FE89 blah 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 versus master, right? But the key here is when a branch is pointing to a commit, it means that branch also knows about all the parents of that commit, all the way to the end. So when we say what's in the feature gone bad branch, the answer is this. Branches don't have their own copies of the commits. They don't. Commits are unique, and the branches simply share a lot of mutual commit chains. For instance, this is the master branch and this is the dev branch. Still, they share all these and they have their own commits at the same time. We said each branch points to a single commit. Think of it as if Git is having this table and keeps a record of branch names and the commits that they are pointing to. Note that cool feature and something both point to commit D80709. Very different than the misconceptions that we talked about, right? Now it's a good time to pause and welcome the one and only head. Really, that's what head is. Head also points to a commit, but the difference is it can either directly point to a commit or it can point to a commit through a branch. In other words, it can point to a branch and then know what that branch is pointing to. So Git holds another table like this, and in this example, the value of head is master. Head is pointing to master, and then master is pointing to this commit. So head knows about this commit. Now, before we dig more into the head, let's see what deleting a branch is all about.